Tu Casa Mi Casa, Mexican recipes for the home cook. Enrique Olvera is a leading talent on the gastronomic stage, reinventing the cuisine of his native Mexico to global acclaim, yet his true passion is Mexican home cooking. In Tu Casa Mi Casa he shares 100 of the recipes close to his heart, the core collection of basic Mexican dishes, and encourages readers everywhere to incorporate traditional and contemporary Mexican tastes and ingredients into their recipe repertoire, no matter how far they lie from Mexico. This book includes more than 100 sumptuous photographs of finished food and ingredients, including step-by-step photos to add ultimate clarity to the basics chapter. These authentic home-cooked recipes are beloved throughout Mexico and beyond, a genuine taste of the country and its traditional cuisine. Meehan, award-winning food writer, Los Angeles Times editor, former New York Times food critic, and co-founder of Lucky Peach, has written the foreword. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.